220 wheel horsepower, 6.5 seconds 0 to 60, 15-second quarter miles. Those are Fiesta ST numbers after $10,000 in modifications. Stock GTI numbers cost you $25,000 more. But here's what kills most Fiesta ST builds. People blow their entire budget on a big turbo setup that needs another $8,000 in supporting mods. Or they buy $1,500 coilovers when $800 units work just as well. This build avoids both traps. Start with maintenance. Your 80,000-mile Fiesta ST needs $1,000 in boring fixes before any fun parts. Rear motor mount, $150. It's failing right now, guaranteed. Cooling system service, $300. Transmission mount, another $150. Skip these, and your intercooler upgrade becomes pointless when the head gasket blows. Power modifications, $2,800 total. Cobb SF intake, part number 715100, $350. MBRP race. Exhaust with high flow cat, $550. Mishimoto intercooler, $420. These three parts alone add 35 wheel horsepower with zero risk to your engine. The AccessPort V3 costs $700, but it's non-negotiable. Stock tune runs rich and leaves 20 horsepower on the table. Load the Stage 1 map, and you're at 200 wheel horsepower immediately. Add NGK IFR6T11 plugs, one step colder than stock, for $80. They prevent spark blowout when you start pushing 15 pounds of boost. Suspension gets $2,200. Bilstein B14 PSS coilovers, $1,400. Yes, ST-XTA units cost half that, but the Bilsteins actually work after 2 years of daily driving. Height and damping adjustable, proven reliability, and they don't blow out after one track day like the eBay specials everyone tries first. ABOC, 25mm rear sway bar, $220. White line rear control arm bushings, another $220. These two parts eliminate the Fiesta's biggest handling flaw, that loose rear end feel in corners. Stock bushings compress under load, changing your alignment mid-corner. The polyurethane replacements keep geometry consistent. Wheels and tires, $1,800 total. 52 tarmac, 17x8. ET45 offset, $900 for the set. Each wheel saves 4 pounds versus stock. Falcon RT6 60s in 205 40R17, $700 mounted. These are 200 treadwear tires that grip like racing slicks but last 8,000 street miles. That offset matters. ET35 wheels look aggressive, but increase scrub radius and ruin your steering feel. ET45 maintains proper suspension geometry while clearing big brake kits. You need hub-centric rings and proper length wheel bolts. Another $120 in hidden costs nobody mentions. Check threepiece.us for exact fitment specs if you're running different wheels. Brakes need $1,200 if you're serious about track days. Hawk horsepower. Plus pads, front and rear, $250 total. EBC slotted rotors, $400. Goodridge stainless lines, $180. But the real secret? Brake cooling ducts for $350. Your pads last 3 times longer and never fade, even at Road Atlanta in July. Installation order determines success or expensive failure. Week 1, all maintenance items and motor mounts. Week 2, complete suspension install. Week 3, wheels, tires, and professional alignment. Budget $150 for this. Week 4, brake system. Week 5, engine mods. Never install power adders before suspension and brakes. Common mistakes that waste thousands. Atmospheric blow-off valves cause idle problems on this platform. Solid motor mounts shake your teeth out for 2 horsepower gain. Oversized intercoolers actually hurt throttle response. And those $300 eBay coilovers? They'll blow out in 6 months, then you're buying the Bilsteins anyway. Budget reality check. $8,800 in parts. $400 for professional alignment and corner balancing. Another $400 to $500 for a proper dyno tune once everything's installed. That custom tune extracts another 15 to 20 wheel horsepower from the exact same parts. Keep $800 for unexpected expenses. There will be some. Performance results after 10 grand. 220 wheel horsepower verified on a Dynajet. 6.5 seconds 0 to 60 with proper launch technique. Low 15-second quarter miles at 92 miles per hour. More importantly, you'll gap stock Focus STs, keep up with WRX and embarrass BMW 335i owners at autocross events. This build works because it maximizes the Fiesta ST's actual strengths, lightweight chassis, and excellent suspension geometry, instead of chasing big power numbers that require built engines and upgraded transmissions. Every modification works as a system. The intercooler keeps intake temps down, the suspension puts power down, the brakes handle the extra speed. Who should build this? Anyone who values handling over straight-line speed and wants maximum performance per dollar. Who should avoid it? People expecting 400 horsepower. That requires another 10 grand minimum. Anyone who needs a comfortable daily, these mods definitely increase NVH. And anyone in states with strict emissions testing, that high-flow cat won't pass. $10,000 transforms a stock Fiesta ST into something that punches way above its price class. Follow this exact parts list and installation order. Avoid the cheap alternatives that break. Get the professional alignment and dyno tune. The result? A car that makes Civic Type R owners question their extra $20,000 investment.